Could you believe that I made all this soap with only 500 ml of oil? Yes, half liter of oil, palm oil and PKO combined. And that is what I'll be showing you in this video. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful soap with only 500 ml of oil, combining palm oil and PKO. Let's jump right in and let me show you how I made this happen. Okay, so here we go. I'll be using caustic soda, 120 grams. Just follow me. If you have, you can just grab a cup of coffee or tea and just relax while we walk through this video together. That is my soda ash. I'll be using 80 grams. Just relax. Just please, you can write down the recipe. PKO, I use 150 ml and I use 350 ml of red oil, 150 ml of PKO palm kernel oil, and 350 ml of red oil, that which made my oils 500 ml. Okay, so we're going to be bleaching the red oil, because if you don't bleach it, if you use like that, it will stain your clothes when you're using to wash. So that is why you need this type of small spoons in the packet. Yes, I sell them. We sell them. These measuring spoons, in case you want to measure small quantities like I'll be doing now, you need them. So I'll be using 1% each of sulfonic acid and hydrogen peroxide to bleach my oil. So 1% of 350 ml is 3.5 ml. 1% of 350 ml is 3.5 ml. So I've added my sulfonic acid. I'm now adding my hydrogen peroxide, 3.5 ml also. Do you see why you need these small measuring spoons? And I sell them. We sell them. I've got you covered when it comes to everything you need to make soap. All your tools, from your digital thermometer to your digital scale to even the mixing bowl you're seeing on screen, to your cutters, to your cups, everything you will need, your spatulas, your whisk. We sell everything. We sell everything. So this is my water. I'll be using 500 ml of water. Yes. I did equal water and equal. So I've divided my water. I'm dividing it. I'll be using 300 ml for my caustic soda solution and 200 ml for my soda ash solution. I keep reinventing recipes just to ensure that you get the best. That is it. I've added my 120 grams of caustic soda into my 300 ml of water. That is ratio 2.5 to 1. 1 part of caustic soda, 2.5 parts of water. So I've done that here. We'll just keep it aside to get cold for a bit. I'll be measuring with thermometer. So that's my 200 ml of water, and I'll be adding my 80 grams of soda ash. That is also 1 to 2.5. 1 part of soda ash to 2.5 parts of water. And ensure you stir very well until it is well dissolved. Stir very well until both the caustic soda and your soda ash solution is well dissolved. So that is it. That is ingredients. So they're all set. So we'll be back in 1 hour to start soaping. We'll be back to allow our oil to bleach and our caustic and soda ash to get cold. Especially the caustic. Soda ash, you can even use soda ash like that, but the caustic have to be cold. We're making cold process soap and not hot or semi-hot process. So let's keep it. So let's take the temperature first. So that is the temperature of my lye. It is 74.2. So soda ash is 42 points. Okay, so we are back. This is 1 hour later. So I noticed that my oil is not well bleached. It's not well bleached. And I know that this is because the hydrogen I used, I've had it for so long, over 1 year. So I think it has lost its potency. So, but I'll be using it like that, yes, because I want you to see. So can you see my caustic soda? It has come down to 38.8 from 74.2. And soda ash has come down to 37.7 from 42. Though we are not concerned about the soda ash. So I've combined my PKO and my palm oil. Do you see why you need an infrared thermometer, and we sell them too. We sell those infrared thermometers. Just keep those orders coming. Everything you need to make soap making easy and simple, we have them. We don't just teach you, we don't just train you, we are your backbone. We want to ensure you start that business and you succeed in it. So everything you need. So I've added my soda ash first, and this is my caustic soda. Note that I added my soda ash first, and this is my caustic soda I'm adding. But you can also do it the other way around. You can first add your caustic soda and then your soda ash. Whichever one you want, it will work. So then you give it a very, very good stir. Very, very good stir. Stir very, very well. So I have to use my whisk. If you have a stick blender or a whisk, it will come very handy. Can you see? It will make the stirring better. In case you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Oge Chimadukoma. On this channel, I load you with valuable content on how to start and grow your hygiene production business. So ensure you subscribe and stay subscribed so you don't miss out on the valuable content I post here each week. So ensure you also like this video and also share to your family and friends so that they will thank you for it. So I've added my foam booster, because we used more of palm oil. So I'm adding foam booster to help us boost the foaming ability of the soap. Can you see how beautiful this soap is turning out? This soap is very, very beautiful. Wow. It's so beautiful. So I didn't even bother to add color anymore because the palm oil has taken the color. The palm oil was not well bleached, but it's bleached. It will not stain clothes this way because it was bleached, but not as bleached, as very bleached as I want it to be. So I've added my perfume also. So our soap is almost ready. Hope you're enjoying my video. If you're enjoying it, please give me a thumbs up. It's free of charge. Just a like. Thumbs up. Biko, give me a like so that YouTube will show this video to more people that needs to see it. You see how I use equal water and equal oil. This soap will be very strong. And because of the palm oil, my students have told me that their customers are complaining that their soap finishes. That's why it's okay, let me do something else. Because if you use only PKO to make soap, that soap will finish fast when used. But because we have combined it with palm oil, which is another hard oil, the soap will stay longer. So with this recipe, your soap will last longer when used, and because we added foaming booster, your soap will also lather, and because we added PKO, your soap will be very, very good. So this is a very, very balanced recipe, and it's also profitable. Equal amount of oil and equal amount of water. So yes, it is profitable. And the soap will be very hard. I cut the soap after 24 hours. You see me. After 24 hours, the soap was already rock solid. And we cut it. So we'll be back. Let's allow the soap to set. We'll be back. Yeah. This is it. After 24 hours, we are here. Can you see how beautiful the soap turned out? See now. Very, very strong. Up to these silicone molds we use, we sell them. Up to this wooden cutter, the iron cutter, we sell everything. We sell silicone molds. We sell everything you're seeing on the screen. Everything I am using on the screen, we sell everything. So just keep those orders coming. If you want any of them, you can send me a WhatsApp message on the number on the screen. 08029 04 66 and 05 23480 29 04 66 and 05. And we can deliver to you anywhere, even in Ghana, even in Togo, even in Benin, we can deliver. Please ensure you subscribe to my channel. Also comment, like, and share. Please look at all the soap I made with only 500 minutes. Tell me, will you be practicing this soon? Let me know in the comment. Will you be making it soon?